Hey YouTubers, Moneymaker here. Here's another how-to video.
Alright, I've already built it, but it's a simple bird trap. Now, what you need is, well, obviously, a lot of sticks and some string or shoelace. And it looks just like that, just like a log cabin. You build it up like a log cabin. And you tied it each corner of the stick. And then make it a cross. Make an X, and then you stick the sticks all the way up in it.
You don't tie the little sticks to it, you just tie the two bottom sticks.
Yes.
Let me see if I can... You see how they're tied on the bottom? You just stack it, two of them, across like this. And then two of them across like this.
And then once you do that, you'll get the rhythm.
You just keep going up and up until you get to the top.
Until it's real tight and it's hard to move it.
Yeah, it's very, very, very tight.
So.
And show them how to make the trigger.
Oh yes. Bring it down here. Maybe do it on the other side that doesn't have a notch.
Okay, hang on. Let me bring the computer down here.
As you can see. And there's this. Oh no. Okay. Alright, and you'll do it like this. Let me cut it because it's too. We made a video, that's why it's built, and YouTube wouldn't let us put it on.
It was too long. It was 23 minutes.
But that's not how long it takes you. I just messed up a little bit. Sometimes. Let's try to get this thing smooth as a baby's butt.
Okay.
And you see how that's up like that? You'll take these two sticks here and stick them in the back corner. And I pushed it down. Hold it up.
This part takes a little bit of time.
So you gotta have patience. Ah, my finger hit it. And that's really...
It's really sensitive.
Now make sure you don't make it too tight, because if you do, the bird ain't gonna trigger it. So. And it is too long. Put it right there. Give me my little knife and saw it.
I don't know where it is. Here, let me see it.
How long is it? Awesome. Very difficult. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Sorry, I got the wrong stick. Sorry. And that sucks. Hold on. Stop it now. My brother's hitting me with sticks because he's mad at me. That's why it's uneven.
You're still going.
This part takes a lot of patience. I need that little knife right now. Oh, my knee. Let me cut this right quick. Like, sorry.
We break it.
Yes, please. Cut it or something. Thank you.
It wasn't me.
Let me do something right quick to that because I need to stop that. It's bendy.
What are you doing?
Cutting.
Why?
Hunter, back up. I'm right here. I'm sorry. I just gotta. Where's the stick? There, it's over here. What's it doing over there? Alrighty. And now we will reach it now. Perfect. And now, where's my other little one? This one. Bottom here. Okay. Alright. And you see I got that stick and these two in here. And when the bird and that one wasn't touching, you can use one or two of these little sticks right here, and then it should do that. And thank you for watching.
This is making money. Signing off.